Hi, my name is Ethan Reeves. I'm the developer of Genie and owner of Ifrit Technologies LLC. And in this quick video, I'm going to be walking you through how to install and set up Genie version 4. Now, this is going to be if you're setting up as a new user and as an individual. We also have videos available for if you're transitioning over from version 3 or if you're looking to set up as a team leader. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So you can see here we're at extempgenie.com in Google Chrome. I'm going to assume you've already installed Google Chrome and not provide steps as how to do that. There are a lot of tutorials available online, so if you haven't installed Google Chrome, just Google it and you can install it there. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and type in an email, which is going to be sting@gmail.com, password, full name. We're going to call this guy, let's say, John Smith. We click sign up and use free. This is going to create our Genie account. Okay, and now we can see here we've got what is essentially a team here with just us on the team. And the next thing we need to do is come up here and download the extension if we're looking to use the free trial. If you're looking to purchase a license to use during the school year, you could do that as well here. So let's go ahead and download the extension. This takes us over to the Google Chrome store because Genie is distributed as a Chrome extension. So now all we need to do here is click right here on Add to Chrome, click Add Extension, installing it, there we go. So we can see it's been added up here and you're going to access Genie by clicking this little lamp icon up in the top right. Alright, so the email we used to sign up was testing@gmail.com with a password of testing. Click Login. Alright, so now we have the option to join John Smith's team, which is joining the team that you own yourself. If another user had added you to their team, you would have the ability to join their team there as well. So we're just going to do this for now. Click Next. We're going to click Use Under Free Trial because we haven't purchased any licenses under this account. And for device nickname, we're going to call this device John Smith's laptop. Click Finish. And there we have it. It's all set up now. We can see that we are the user John Smith on the team of John Smith, and in this team we are the team leader. Now you can continue to use Genie here. Everything's set up. You can use folders and collections. You can go ahead and auto-file content or use all of the other great new features that version 4 brings.